In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mesh gradients in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma. If you are working in an existing file, great, just make sure you have a clear area to build in. Now set up a frame. You can create a new frame at the size you need, like a desktop or mobile preset, or define a custom size if you already know your dimensions. With the frame selected, add a background color in the right-hand fill panel. Choose something neutral or slightly tinted. This base will peek through and help your colors blend smoothly later. Next, use the shape tools to add circles that will become the color sources of your mesh. Select the ellipse tool, and while holding Shift to keep perfect circles, click and drag to draw several circles across the frame. Vary their sizes, overlap them a bit, and distribute them so they cover the whole area. Give each circle a different color by selecting it and changing its fill. Think about choosing a palette that works well together. Complementary or analogous colors tend to blend beautifully. Don't worry if it looks messy at this point. That's expected before the blur. When you are happy with the placement and colors, select all the circles. You can drag to marquee, select them, or use Shift. Click to add them to your selection. In the right-hand panel, find Effects. Click the plus icon and choose Layer Blur. Set the blur to a high value, somewhere around 100 to 200 usually does the trick. As you increase the blur, you'll see the circles melt into each other, creating that smooth, mesh-like gradient. If any color feels too strong or too faint, adjust the size or position of its circle, or tweak its color until the blend feels balanced. To add a touch of character, stay in the Effects panel and choose Noise from the drop-down. This introduces a subtle texture that keeps the gradient from feeling flat. Keep the density low, below 10% is ideal, so the texture enhances rather than distracts. You are aiming for a gentle grain that adds depth without stealing attention. That's it. Thanks for watching.